Costa, I'm 11.
I'm Jacqui, I'm 13, and I'm a songwriter.
Yeah, I'm a songwriter. I've written about 20 songs now.
I've written 9 so far. It feels really good because I've never really been able to write songs really fast before. With the time limit thing, I think it's kind of pushed me to actually write it.
I'm normally just going, yeah, I get to write a song, that's great. And I performed my song called Smile for Me and You at a concert. It felt so good.
Knowing that at the end you're going to have your own song is really empowering and stuff. Getting the feedback has been really useful because you can kind of work off it for the next one, and then I think they've been getting better. Probably the one I wrote today because it's kind of got the same sort of message as my favourite song of all time, Defying Gravity. It's all about flying and stuff. So that's probably my favourite one. Yeah, I think I will play that one. I watch the video and I read through my feedback. I kind of look through the theme and I kind of start thinking of ideas. I sort of write the words first, and then once I've written it, then I go over to where the piano is, and then I sort of start working out what the notes are, and then sort of turning it into chords and stuff. Tweak anything, change any lyrics I'm not really happy with, and then I record it. I just wrote that in 50 minutes.
Writing a song in an hour isn't as hard as you think.
It doesn't take much. You can't just need a notebook and a pencil and a rubber. It doesn't even have to have a piano or anything. My first couple of songs didn't.
Because of writing songs every week, I think I might be able to form a band, writing rock songs and doing rock music in front of a live audience.
Because I've been writing songs every week, I kind of want to just keep writing them.
Hi, I'm Sam Buckingham. I'm one of the mentors for I Heart Songwriting Club. I love being a mentor so much.
Hi, my name's Dave Crow. I'm a songwriter and my artist name is Resin Moon. I'm also a mentor for the I Heart Songwriting Kids program.
I wish when I was starting out that I had people around me who had years of experience writing songs, who could give me feedback and give me tips and tricks and encouragement for what I was doing, but instead I felt a little bit alone in my songwriting journey. So I love being a songwriting mentor for I Heart Songwriting Club because I get to be the person that I wish I had when I was younger.
It's the kind of thing that I never had the opportunity to do as a school-age songwriter, and I just highly encourage you to give it a go. It's an amazing program, and I want to encourage any kids who are interested in songwriting or composition or just improvising and playing around with music.
If you want to improve your songwriting, be a better songwriter, find new ways to express yourself, I can't recommend I Heart Songwriting Club enough. As a songwriter, being in the club and writing every week has been incredible for my own songwriting, and seeing the way that it changes the songwriting of the kids that I mentor is just so inspiring and so exciting. So please join us and express yourself and create. See you in the club.